Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite server offline. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So in order to do this, it is actually pretty simple, but first we want to check if the Fortnite servers are down. And to do that, you want to open up your web browser and then click onto the search box and type in status Epic Games and press enter. From the search results, click onto the first link, and this link is going to take you to this website, which is going to allow you to check whether the Fortnite servers are down for the moment. As you can see here, it says operational, which means that there is no problem with the servers. However, if it says something else, that means your only solution is to wait till the servers are operational again. And now, if that wasn't the issue, then come back to your home screen, then right-click onto the taskbar underneath and click onto Task Manager. The Task Manager window will pop up like this, and you want to click onto the search box at the top of the window and then type in Epic Games. And here you can see the Epic Games launcher. So right-click on it and then click onto End Task from the drop-down menu. This is gonna close down Epic Games completely. We can check if it's really closed, so let's click onto the tiny arrow in the taskbar underneath, and as you can see, there is no Epic Games icon on site. Now, all what I have to do is to open up Fortnite from the desktop shortcut, and it shall work just fine. I believe that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.